Hey everyone. So, have you ever heard the term creative cocooning? And I just learned this not too long ago. Creative cocooning is when you go within and you are basically, you just be. You allow that care, that love for yourself. You allow that time to just blossom from the inside. So, typically, we are a society that we're always doing, and if we're not doing or being productive, then nothing is happening. But we also have to, and I've said this before, that we have to go within and we have to be present. We have to have that time of just being, not doing. And this is what creative cocooning is about, is going within and just being, allowing ourselves to be our true selves, to understand who we truly are, to give ourselves that care, that love, understand what it is that we truly need so that we can emerge from that cocoon into the world, uh, kind of a up-leveled person, someone who understands themselves a little bit better, someone who can live their life more from a place of authenticity and be able to be more discerning in our lives. So take that time for yourself to creatively cocoon, and that could mean reading a book, meditation. It could mean uh, doing some art or writing, or just sitting and reflecting in nature, whatever it is, where you are just being in the moment and you are tapping into that inner guidance, to that source energy, to that love that you are. So I hope this helped you today. I'll see you next time. Bye.